in life and in business on a daily basis, things will go wrong, things will frustrate you, things will piss you off, but also things will go right. And where focus goes, energy flows. So if you want to focus on all the things that are going wrong, then you're going to end up really frustrated and really pissed off. However, we can control the controllables, and there's 3 things that you can control in any situation at any time, and they are your actions, your reactions, and your mindset. Now, actions are something you can control. You can stay in bed, or you can get out of bed, like I did this morning, go on this beautiful walk around the river. Very nice. Your reactions is how you react to things when they do go wrong. You can throw your toys out the pram and you can start blaming everybody else, or you can take accountability for the things that are going wrong in your life. Take a deep breath, start all over again. And your mindset is the other thing. Now, you can choose what you listen to when you're out walking, when you're in the car, when you're at home on a night, sat on the sofa. You can watch Netflix. Don't get me wrong, I've recorded a podcast on my top 7 Netflix documentaries that I'm watching over the next couple of weeks. Or you can meditate, you can listen to podcasts and books about how to improve and increase your mindset and build resilience and self-esteem. So your actions, your reactions, and your mindset control the controllables.